Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's always so wonderful to have you here with me. I really hope you're doing well and feeling amazing today. I just want to take a quick moment to thank you all for your continued love and support. It truly means the world to me. Today, we're going to learn how to make a super simple yet incredibly effective natural anti-aging cream. This cream is fantastic because it helps to remove those pesky wrinkles around the eyes, forehead, and neck. Plus, it's made entirely with natural ingredients, which is something I always strive for in my skincare routines. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, we'll start with some fresh parsley. You'll need about half a bunch. Make sure to wash it really thoroughly. I like to clean mine with a bit of baking soda first, just to make sure it's super clean and free from any impurities. After that, give it another good rinse under running water. Now, you might be wondering, why parsley? Well, parsley is just amazing for our skin. It's actually known for stimulating collagen production, which is so important for keeping our skin looking youthful and radiant. It also helps reduce dark spots, freckles, and pigmentation. So it's a real powerhouse ingredient. Once your parsley is nice and clean, go ahead and cut it up, stalks included. Don't worry about chopping it too finely. We'll be blending it later. By the way, if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, I'd absolutely love it if you did. I share all kinds of natural skincare tips and recipes, and I'm sure you'll find something useful just for you. Next, we're going to need 250 milliliters of distilled water. Pour it into a small pot and set it on low heat. As we wait for the water to heat up, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what city you're tuning in from. I always find it so exciting to hear from all of you. Once the water starts to take on a darker color, go ahead and turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool down a bit. Isn't it amazing how simple ingredients from our kitchens can make such a difference for our skin? Parsley really is a hidden gem when it comes to anti-aging, as it not only helps reduce wrinkles, but also deeply moisturizes the skin. Now that it's cooled down, we'll blend the parsley mixture until it's smooth. Once that's done, we'll strain it through a fine sieve to get rid of any leftover bits. You'll notice how the liquid has a beautiful, vibrant color. Regular use of this mixture, especially with the addition of starch, can even help eliminate deeper wrinkles over time. Speaking of starch, our next ingredient is cornstarch. Add a heaping tablespoon to the strained mixture. And then set it on low heat once again. Keep stirring continuously until you get a nice, creamy texture. This step is really important to make sure everything combines smoothly. After that, pour the creamy mixture into a bowl and let it cool just a little. Then, add a tablespoon of sweet almond oil. This oil is so nourishing and helps keep the skin soft and supple. I really love how it complements the parsley and starch. Next, add about 12 to 14 drops of vitamin E oil. This powerful antioxidant helps improve skin elasticity and reduces fine lines. Mix everything well. I really appreciate all your comments, likes, and support. It truly motivates me to keep sharing these natural recipes. Now, let's move on to aloe vera. Whenever I have fresh aloe leaves at home, I always use them because they're packed with skin-loving nutrients. Before using the aloe, soak the leaf in water for at least 30 minutes. This step helps remove any yellow sap that can irritate the skin. Once that's done, cut a small piece of the leaf and scoop out the gel. Aloe vera is packed with beta-carotene, vitamin C and E, and it's just wonderful for reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, it makes the skin feel incredibly smooth and hydrated. Add about 2 tablespoons of aloe gel to our mixture and give it a good stir. All done! Your natural anti-aging cream is ready. You can store it in the fridge for up to a week. To use, apply the cream to your face, neck, and décolleté, paying extra attention to the wrinkles around your eyes. Massage gently until fully absorbed. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Try to use it about 3 times a week for the best results. This homemade cream really does work like a natural Botox treatment, helping to firm up the skin and reduce wrinkles. Plus, You can store the remaining aloe vera gel in the fridge for up to a month for future use. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And, of course, always consider any personal contraindications and consult with your doctor before using new skincare products. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next video.